Ever wondered how to shield your digital assets from threats? Well, that's where cybersecurity comes into play. Cybersecurity is the practice of safeguarding computer systems, networks, and data from digital threats. It's like a digital fortress designed to guard against a plethora of dangers that can come from various sources such as malware, phishing attacks, distributed denial of service or DDoS attacks, ransomware, and even insider threats. The ultimate goal of cybersecurity boils down to three primary objectives. First, it aims to protect data integrity, preventing unauthorized alterations or damage to data. Second, it ensures data confidentiality, barring unauthorized access to sensitive information. Lastly, it guarantees system availability, making sure that systems and data can be accessed when needed. So whether it's your personal data or an entire organization's digital infrastructure, cybersecurity is pivotal. Cybersecurity, in essence, is the first line of defense against digital threats. Now, how do we achieve these cybersecurity objectives? Let's break it down. First, we have components like firewalls, controlling network traffic like a vigilant gatekeeper. Then there's antivirus and anti-malware software, our digital detectives identifying and eliminating harmful programs. Encryption is another key player, safeguarding data by transforming it into a format only readable with an encryption key. And let's not forget about network security, implementing measures to shield networks from attacks. Moving on to principles, we start with the need-to-know principle. It's pretty simple. Grant access only to those who need it. Next is the need for access, ensuring each individual has access in line with their responsibilities. And finally, the principle of accountability, assigning responsibility to each individual with access. These components and principles aren't just standalone elements. They interact, intertwine, and support each other to create a robust cybersecurity framework. Remember, each component and principle plays a crucial role in a robust cybersecurity framework. So, we have our cybersecurity framework. What's next? The next step is to create a cybersecurity policy. This policy should outline the practices and procedures necessary to protect digital assets. It should cover everything from the use of firewalls and encryption to the principles of access and accountability. It's a roadmap, a guidebook if you will, for how your organization will protect its digital realm. But a policy on its own isn't enough. It's like having a game plan but no players. That's where training comes in. End-user training is crucial in cybersecurity. It's about enhancing awareness of potential threats and teaching the necessary actions to mitigate these risks. After all, what good is a firewall if someone unwittingly clicks on a phishing link? Remember, cybersecurity isn't just about having the right systems and policies in place. It's also about people understanding and respecting the importance of digital security. Effective cybersecurity is not just about systems and policies, but also about people understanding and respecting the importance of digital security.